We are excited to announce the Mastering Tenant Screening in 2025 ebook that we're rolling out here. And this is even better. So we did this last year and we had hundreds of people download it, and there's so much good information. But here in 2025, things are different. The laws are different. There's so much more experience that we've had a year later. You know, we rented 500 units last year, so we got a whole bunch of experience with that. The Straight Up Chicago Investor podcast community, they've shared with so many of their experiences. People that come to hire us for property management, we hear their experiences, and we take all that and apply that to what we know. And in this ebook, in this resource, we're telling you how to not make those same mistakes. And if you're a property manager, if you're a real estate broker, if you're an investor doing your own leasing, this is what you need to hear. And at the bottom of this resource, we have two other additional opportunities to really up your game in leasing. And if you want to take advantage of those, I'm excited to work with you on those. But we want you to download this. This is not an act to sell our service at GC. We're happy to help investors. We help hundreds of them every year. But ultimately, we want the Chicago community to be excited about real estate investment. We want to make sure you don't make mistakes that can ultimately discourage you from continuing your real estate investment career. So check it out. Let us know your feedback. Make sure you take advantage of the resources at the end or the additional value that we want to add to you. And we'll see you soon.